And what could come as a major boost to India and its defense partnership with the United States, the Trump administration has eased export controls for high technology product sales to India. The strategic trade authorized Tier 1 status, which is largely accorded to America's NATO allies, will now allow India to enjoy a license-free export regime when it comes to high-tech products. Parikshit Luthra joins us now to explain what this means. Parikshit, this is a big strategic decision that is bound to impact the Indian defense industry positively.
After granting India the major defense partner status way back in 2016, India and US have now decided to take their ties to the next level. The announcement to put India in the Strategic Authorization List 1 came from Wilbur Ross, the US Secretary for Commerce at the Indo-Pacific Business Forum. Now, this is a landmark decision. It would put India at power with 36 other countries, including NATO allies, and India will now be eligible for license-free export from the United States. US entities can export dual-use items which have both military and civil use, without having to get a license from US Department of Commerce. And the Indian government and our top diplomatic sources believe that this would pave the way for trade integration of defense component manufacturers with the US supply chain. There is a belief in the Indian government that this move really complements the Indian government or the Ministry of Defence's strategic partnership program as well. What next for Indo-US ties? We are being told that India is now working with the United States to finalize an agreement on industrial security annex, and this annex would allow US companies to share sensitive technologies with their Indian counterparts. Net-net, the Indian government believes that a defense partnership with the United States is on a very solid footing, and this also goes to show the depth in Indo-US relations. Back to you.